Good morning, sir. How may I help you?
Good morning. I need a new connection.
Sure, sir. Let me help you with that.
Before offering a Vodafone plan, CRE must probe him properly to understand his/her requirements for calls, SMS and data.
Sir, to help you select the right plan, I would want to know some information. May I?
Sure.
Sir, so are you using any mobile connection?
Yes, it's ABC.
Okay. And what is the average bill like?
Around 500 to 600.
Okay, thank you. We have tariff plans based on the usage. So I would like to know that what are you more into, calls, data usage or messaging?
Mostly calls, more data actually. SMS is once in a while.
Okay, and how often do you travel? And do you travel within India or out of India too?
Once in 2-3 months, but mostly within the country.
And do you make international calls?
No.
Check for usage parameters, calling, SMS, data, ISD, VAS like missed call, caller tune. This probing would give you one of these 4 options. Customer type A, low usage on call and SMS with no data usages and asking prepaid connection. Pitch prepaid plans and compare with postpaid 249 plan. Customer type B, high usages on call with no data usages, recommend 299. Customer type C, heavy data user and normal usage on call SMS, red 499 plus. Customer type D, frequent ISD caller, heavy data user and requires free calls and SMS to red 999 plus. For each one of them, pitch a relevant plan as mentioned. Your first attempt should always be to suggest a higher postpaid plan through features and benefits. Step down to a lower tariff or prepaid plan later if required. In this case, we have someone who is closer to type C customer.
So based on your requirements, I would recommend our Red Entertainment Plus plan, which costs you Rs 499 per month and GST 18% will be charged on your overall bill. Sir, in this plan, we are providing free yearly subscription of Amazon Prime, in which you will get benefits like free and fastest delivery from Amazon shopping sites. You can enjoy watching ad-free movie on Amazon Prime Video and enjoy listening your favorite music on Amazon Prime Music app. So may I know how old is your handset?
I think it's 12 months old.
That's great. As your handset is not older than 2 years, we would like to inform you that in this plan, you will also get Vodafone Mobile Insurance Service, under which your handset will be insured from physical and liquid damage, along with the protection of your handset from virus and malwares.
Oh, that's amazing. So my handset will also be insured.
Yes, sir. One more benefit I would like to inform you that you will get free yearly subscription of Vodafone Play, in which you can watch more than 300 live TV channels, can watch 12,000 movies, international TV shows, latest TV series, etc.
For free? Wow.
That's not the end, sir. Every month you will get a wallet balance equivalent to your plan rental, that is Rs 500, to purchase vouchers like entertainment, shopping, dining, fashion, wellness, beauty, etc., which is known as Red Hot Deals.
That's really an amazing plan.
Not only this, we are also giving you unlimited calling benefits, local, national and roaming, and 100 free SMS for local, national and roaming. In addition to this, you will also get 75 GB data per month with data roll over facility, in which your unused data will be carried forward to your next bill cycle. You can accumulate up to 200 GB of data till 99 bill cycle. If in any case you exceed the allotted data quota, the charges will be only Rs 20 per GB. Also, we are providing bill guarantee for bill protection to avoid bill shock.
Wow. Really?
Ma'am, how much longer I have to wait now?
So sorry about the wait, your number will flash on the screen. Sorry about that.
Madam, don't you have a lower rental plan? I think I don't want to pay 500 plus every month.
See, you slipped just once and now customer seems to be determining the flow of your conversation. You can't afford to make such slip-ups. You have to keep your customer engaged. Give him a document, brochure to read about the benefits of the plans. Offers while you speak with another customer.
Yes, sir, I do. The Red Entertainment at rupees 399 a month. However, this offers just 40 GB of data and 100 free SMS quota.
I don't wish to pay extra. What is your data speed normally?
So 4G speed sets from 10 Mbps to 30 Mbps.
That sounds okay to me.
Right, sir. For this, you need to make a deposit of rupees 199 as a security deposit, which is totally refundable, and 99 one-time membership charge for this Red plan.
Okay, I'll do that.
Thank you. All I require from you is your Aadhaar card to verify your details. If you are carrying it, I'll verify your fingerprint and get you started up right away.
Yeah, sure.
If the customer doesn't carry Aadhaar card, Aadhaar number will also work. Once the customer shares these details, complete the enrollment process and hand over the SIM card to the customer, and he can walk out of the store with a postpaid connection.